started making bags in 2013, but I only started the business last year. Bags are the most personal accessory, your private den in the public space. I wanted to design bags and accessories with a modern aesthetic that are sustainable, but yet with style. I don't want anything to waste, so I use offcuts to create new pieces. For me, it's very important to know where my bags are made. We make all our prototypes in-house, but I also get a good hand from a small family-run business in Spain, and I visit them regularly. They're great people, and I love watching all these artisans work. And then there's sunshine, wine, and really great food. Fish leather is a sustainable material. It's a byproduct from the fishing industry. I think it's really beautiful and strong, but also very lightweight. No fish skin is alike, which makes every bag unique.